Let's check out today the whining noise that happens after shutdown on the Giulia. And so a lot of people think it is the coolant pump. Hear a high-pitched whining noise. And just so we know, the coolant pump is down here on the bottom part of the engine compartment area over on the passenger side. You actually won't hear it after you stop the car. It makes a very low hum, kind of sloshing noise. But what you'll hear over here by the turbo is the whine. And that is coming from the EGR valve down there. Right there. And in fact, if I pull this plug right here, you can hear it change noises a little bit. Hear it change noise. And so that's the EGR. It stays running after you shut the engine down, allows exhaust gas recirculation. There's theories that Alfa Romeo does this in order to perhaps cut down on the exhaust gases and oil gases that are going on in the engine, to maybe prevent some carbon buildup. Also, I don't know, perhaps to aid in the turbo cooling. That was in an update that was done after some turbo O-rings were melting on the car. And so that is your EGR solenoid right there. You can hear it nice and loud. If you go over to the opposite side of the car, you're not going to hear it as loud. And the coolant pump is down there. Right there. That's the coolant pump. It's not making any noise. You can't hear it. And EGR valve. So that's the mysterious noise.